Most men stay average. And it's not because they're weak or unlucky, but because they're addicted to comfort. They hit snooze, scroll, chase pleasure instead of purpose. And they wonder why nothing changes. There's a quiet trap waiting for every man. It's definitely not failure or rejection. It's their weak routine. They wake up, brain rot on their phone, go to work, come back home and spend hours watching movies on Netflix, then go to bed exhausted. Repeat. That cycle, it's a slow death. And most guys don't even know they're in it. You think success is about talent? Elon Musk didn't become Elon by being talented. He built brutal habits. He worked his ass off when others slept like a little baby. He failed publicly, and he kept going. David Goggins was 300 pounds scrubbing cockroach-infested restaurants. Now he runs ultra-marathons and breaks minds for a living. Why? He broke the loop. Look, here's the truth. You won't break out by watching more content to get motivated. You are never going to grow by hyping yourself up once a week. You only grow by building systems. Saying no to dopamine, while building a disciplined mind. And saying yes to the uncomfortable version of you. Most men always avoid pain. High-value men always lean into it. You think building discipline is hard? Try living every day knowing you never became who you were meant to be. You don't need motivation. You need momentum and strong discipline. Small wins every day is how you escape average. Even when you work for a long time and see no result immediately. Keep working hard. That's momentum. If it was ever easy, then every single human on earth will be very successful. Always have that in mind. You need to want it that bad to get it. Crave for success like a drowning man yearning for oxygen. And the truth is, there's nothing wrong with being average, unless you don't want to live that way. And deep down, you know you hate an average life. That's why you clicked on this video. So stop pretending you're fine and satisfied. Be desperate for more. Show up every day for luck to hit you.